This anime character is a genius who took over the world. So, what if you could use his brain to get an A+ on every single exam? Today, we're breaking down 5 of Lelouch v. Britannia's most insane strategies and turning them into the ultimate study system. This is how you destroy your finals. Let's do this. Meet Lelouch. He's an anime character who is so smart, school was a complete joke to him. He treats every challenge like a game he's already won. So we're taking his Galaxy Brain playbook and turning your study sessions from a total nightmare into a massive win. We're not just studying harder, we are studying smarter, using the same insane tactics that let him conquer an entire empire. Strategy number 1. Lelouch sees 10 steps ahead in every battle, so you are going to see 10 steps ahead of your exam. This is crazy. Before you study anything, get your syllabus and every past paper you can find. This is your secret intel. We're going to find the 20% of topics that make up 80% of your final grade. We are creating a master plan where every second you spend studying is a step closer to that A+. It's that simple. Strategy number 2. Lelouch studies his enemies, so we are going to study the exam. Your exam is the final boss, and we are going to learn all of its secret moves. I want you to get your hands on the grading rubric. Find out exactly what your professor wants. Are they looking for special keywords, a certain way to answer? We will figure out their secret formula and give them exactly what they want for an easy A+. Don't waste a single second on stuff that doesn't get you points. All right, strategy 3. Lelouch has a superpower that gives a command you cannot disobey. You are going to do that to yourself. When it's time to study, you go into beast mode. I mean it. Your phone is gone. All notifications are off. The room is silent. For the next 90 minutes, you are literally locked in on studying. This isn't about feeling motivated. It is pure discipline. I'm telling you, you will get more done in these 90 minutes than most people do in an entire day. You are not in this alone. Lelouch had an entire army, and you have one too. Your army is your study groups, your teachers, and every single online video that can help you. Use your friends to split up the work. Go to your teacher's office hours and ask them what's on the exam. A real genius uses every single tool they have, so don't try to win this battle by yourself. Assemble your team. And for the final strategy, the ultimate endgame. Lelouch had a crazy final plan, and this is yours. The last few days before an exam are an all-out sprint. You are not learning new things. You are doing practice exams over and over and over again until it's muscle memory. And listen to me, if you find a question you can't answer, skip it. Sacrifice 1 point to get 10 others. We are going for the highest score possible, not a perfect score. I literally just gave you the secret blueprint from a master anime genius. 1. Create your master plan so you're always ahead. 2. Analyze the exam and find its weaknesses. 3. Go into beast mode and get insane focus. 4. Use your army of friends and teachers. And 5. Execute that final push and leave nothing to chance. You have all the strategies. Now go and get that A+. This is Peak Razor. Let's build productivity systems that win daily.